Hey everyone, imagine you're about to hit the road but suddenly your transmission won't shift properly or the car goes into limp mode. The check engine light turns on, and when you scan for trouble codes, you get P0889, Transmission Control Relay Sense Circuit High. This code means that your transmission control relay is malfunctioning, which can stop power from reaching your transmission control module or TCM. Without it, your car won't shift gears smoothly, or at all. Don't worry. In this video, I'll explain the sensor locations, common causes, and step-by-step solutions to fix this issue. Let's get started. DTC P0889 indicates a problem with the transmission control relay circuit. This relay is responsible for supplying power to the TCM and other transmission components. If the system detects an abnormally high voltage in the relay circuit, it triggers this code. If your car has this code, you may experience transmission stuck in limp mode, hard or delayed shifting, unresponsive gear changes, check engine light on, and transmission warning light on. Transmission control relay location, usually in the underhood fuse box, near the battery or firewall. In some cars, it's inside the dashboard fuse panel behind the glove box. Transmission control module location, often mounted on the transmission housing or near the engine bay fuse box. Some vehicles have it inside the transmission valve body. The wiring runs from the battery to the fuse box, then to the TCM and transmission solenoids. Corrosion or a broken wire here can cause the high voltage error. Always refer to your vehicle's repair manual for exact placement. What causes P0889? Faulty transmission control relay stuck in the on position, corroded or loose relay terminals, wiring short circuit in the relay circuit, faulty transmission control module, or ECU sending incorrect voltage signals. How to fix P0889. Step 1. Inspect the transmission relay. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 2. Check the fuse box and wiring. Look for damaged fuses, loose connections, or burnt wires. Step 3. Test the relay with a multimeter. Compare readings with manufacturer specs. Step 4. Inspect the TCM for water damage or corrosion. Clean and secure the connection. Step 5. Reset the code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive. Ignoring P0889 can lead to complete transmission failure, so it's important to fix it ASAP. Check the relay, wiring, and TCM to get your car shifting smoothly again. For more OBD2 error codes, watch these videos next. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.